2026 is just a couple of weeks away, and it'll be time to start new projects, set new goals, and come up with new ideas for the year. Hey, my name is Andy. How are you? In this video, we're going to talk about why setting goals can improve your art like nothing else can. So, practicing every day is what I want to talk about. Uh, before, if you look at my history, I wasn't very good at practicing every day. But once I started, I really saw the improvement. Now, is it easy to do? Is it something always fun? No. Uh, it requires self-discipline, true. When you start uh, with this project, it may be fun, it may be new and inspiring, but after maybe a few weeks or even a few days, you might feel like it's getting difficult. But what I recommend is setting a goal. Maybe you say, okay, in the first month of my uh, project or my uh, goal, I'm going to do a drawing every day, or every other day. I'll just go on Google, find a subject, whether it's a person or an animal or whatever it is, and choose that. Don't think too much about it. Just choose one and then start sketching. And don't be too fussy about it. Don't be too analytical. Just do the best you can. Now, at the beginning, one of your drawings or paintings or whatever it may be a different type of art, may not come out very well. They may be a bit, let's say, rudimentary and not very detailed, and that's okay. You may not be very impressed, but the point isn't to make a work of art. No, that's not the point. The point is to just get it under your belt. Do a simple drawing, and they don't have to be large in size. What I recommend is maybe something like a thumbnail, maybe like the size of your phone, or what else? So not very big. And that way you're not tempted to add in a lot of details. Because I know in my case, if I start a drawing, I'm very much tempted to say, oh, I'll add in this detail and that color and this, and then I spend a lot of time. But these can take, and you may say, oh, I don't have time. Well, you can do it in maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be long. It can be, maybe if you're an early riser, you get up, you do a simple sketch while you're drinking your coffee. Maybe if you do better at night, do it right before you go to bed. And don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. Have maybe a few basic tools like your sketch pad, maybe your pencil, and your phone for reference if you're needing a photograph. And basically that's it. That's all you really need. And I hope you will do it, because you'll really see the improvement. I've seen it, like I mentioned a few minutes ago. I was in my work before. I was teaching on outschool.com. I was teaching kids over Zoom, and it required me to teach them to draw an animal every day. Well, I taught a class every day, but in my case, as the teacher, I was drawing an animal, sometimes the same animal, Monday, Tuesday, every day of the week. So that would be 5 times. I would draw the same animal or different ones. And so, since I was teaching kids and the classes were only half an hour long, they had to be very simple, very not very complicated. And so I really developed my skill, or improved on it by doing this. I saw a lot of improvement in my ability to sketch quickly, simply, even without reference photos. So I hope you will try this out. You'll really see an improvement. You'll really see how your art 10x's over time. Now, give it time. Don't expect amazing improvements over a couple of days. Give it maybe a few months, but set a goal of 90 days, whatever amount of time, but sketch every day. It's a new year and a new time for beginnings. So yeah, that's been my video. Hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.